Hello and welcome to the world of Hindware Kitchen Ensemble. Today, we are going to share information about installation and operation of built-in microwave oven Savio 27 liters to help us in using it better.
This video will explain the following details: unboxing, items in the box, installation procedure, features, and operation. Unboxing. Unpack the oven. Open the box. Remove packing and polythene. Items in the box. The items in the box are as follows: 1 Savio built-in microwave oven, 1 instruction manual and warranty card, 1 grill stand, 1 turntable, 1 turntable ring, back support, pair of screws, and heat deflecting duct. Installation procedure. To install, first measure the exact product dimensions. Use the back support to balance the microwave if required. The wall cavity should be created according to these dimensions. Fit the microwave oven into the cavity. The oven should be connected to 220 volts 50 Hz 5 ampere socket with proper earthing. Secure the screws. Check installation thoroughly. Now your built-in microwave oven is ready to use. Features. Let us learn about the features of our built-in microwave oven. Large capacity of 27 liters. Digital display. Feather touch control. 5 microwave power setting. Digital timer up to 90 minutes. Defrost setting. Auto mode. End of cooking signal. Child safety lock. 3 modes: microwave, grilling, and convection. Push button door. Stainless steel body. BIS certified product and 1-year warranty. Operation. Cooking mode. Press the cooking mode switch to activate the microwave mode. In the display, we can see P100. It means the microwave is working with full efficiency. Microwave has 5 power levels. By pressing multiple times, we get the desired power level: P100, P70, P50, P30 and P10. P100 is the highest and P10 is the lowest power. This mode is used to prepare microwave meals, heat food, instant noodles, dhokla, etc. Press the cooking mode switch only once to start the microwave. It will work for 1 minute. This function is most frequently used for heating of food, beverages, etc. Defrost mode. Defrost mode. Press the cooking mode switch to select the defrost mode. This function is used to defrost frozen foods like vegetables, meats, processed snacks, etc. Grill mode. Before using grill mode, preheat the oven. For example, preheat for 5 minutes. Place the food on the grill stand in the microwave oven. Press the cooking mode switch to select grill mode. Set the time as per the recipe. Press the cooking mode switch to start grilling. A beep sounds halfway through the cooking, indicating that the food should be turned over for even cooking and for perfect results. At this point, the grilling stops for 1 minute and then starts automatically. Grill can function only for 60 minutes continuously. No temperature setting is required for grilling. This function is used for grilling foods like tikkas, kebabs, etc. Combination mode. Combination mode has 3 functions: C1, C2 and C3. Combination mode C1. This mode is used for faster baking, in which convection at 230 degrees centigrade and 40% microwave comes into operation. We baked a cake using this mode. Combination mode C2. Before using this mode, preheat the oven. Here, 50% of grill and convection at 230 degrees centigrade comes into operation. It is ideal to make the food crispy. To understand better, let's make some frozen snacks. The timer is set for 10 minutes. And here we have quick snacks for the whole family. Combination mode C3. This mode is used for fast grilling, in which 45% of grill and 55% of microwave comes into operation. For better understanding, let's make paneer tikka. Place the ingredients in the oven. Set the time for 20 minutes. And yummy paneer tikka is ready to serve. Convection mode. Before using convection mode, preheat the oven. For example, before baking a cake, preheat at 180 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. Place the cake batter in the microwave oven and set time as per recipe. Delicious cake is ready to serve. Auto mode. Press the auto switch and select the food type. For example, A1 for rice. Select weight of ingredient by pressing the auto mode switch as per instructions. Start the microwave oven. It will calculate the time automatically and food will be cooked to perfection. Food type and weight to be selected as per the chart. Let's see how to get rid of your microwave oven of unwanted odors. Take 2 cups of water in a microwave safe bowl. Add few slices of lemon and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Switch on the oven for 2 minutes. All foul smells will be dispelled and your oven will smell clean and fresh. This completes the demonstration of Hindware Kitchen Ensemble built-in microwave oven save you 27 liters. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hindware Kitchen Ensemble.